Power. Precision. Possibility. Meet the new artisJet Trust 2026. Evolved from the proven foundation of the previous Trust model, this new generation takes its capability even further. Built with a 24 by 36-inch print area, Trust is ready for most standard signage sizes, and much more. With up to 10 inches of print thickness, it gives you the freedom to print on more products, more materials, and more opportunities. Create ADA standard Braille with one click. Add embossed textures. Add glossy varnish effects, and bring color and tactility together with remarkable precision. At the heart of Trust is BEC1GO, our exclusive Edison Award-winning technology that prints Braille, embossed texture, and color background in one go. Expand your possibilities with gold color effects and sandwich printing for more striking, more premium applications. And with a quick switch to 360-degree rotary printing, cylindrical personalization becomes easy to add to your business. With resolution up to 1800 dpi, Trust delivers fine details and vibrant color across every application. Behind every result is a smarter printing experience. An anti-static clean print device, white ink circulation to help prevent sedimentation, and a vacuum table that keeps materials securely in place. Self-maintenance functions, ink level indication, waste ink alerts, and easy access panels help keep everyday operations simple and efficient. From sign makers to creative workshops, Trust empowers you to create more, from Braille and signage applications to personalization, flexible production, and beyond. Backed by a 2-year warranty, comprehensive training, and professional technical support, the new artisJet Trust, built for the way you create.